In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tab name on Wix. If you want to update the name that appears on your browser tab when someone visits your site, Wix makes that fairly simple once you know where to look. This tab name is usually connected to your page's SEO title, so changing it can also help make your page look cleaner and more professional, both for visitors and in search results. To get started, first open your Wix website and go into your site editor by clicking Edit Site. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left area of the screen and find the Page drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to open the Page sidebar. This is where Wix lists the pages on your site and gives you access to page settings. From there, click Manage Pages. This will open the section where you can view and organize all of the pages on your website more clearly. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the exact page you want to update, especially if your site has several similar pages. Next, select the page you'd like to edit. After choosing the correct page, click SEO. This is the area where Wix lets you control how that page is labeled for search engines and for the browser tab. Once you're in the SEO settings, look for the option called Set Title Tag. This is the setting that controls the title shown on the tabs. Click Edit and then change the title to whatever you want it to be. Try to keep it clear, short, and relevant to the content of that page. A good tab name helps users know exactly where they are on your website, and it also gives your site a more polished appearance. After you finish editing the title tag, your change is essentially done. Just make sure your site is saved and published if needed, so the update appears on the live version of your website. If you don't see the new tab name right away, refresh the page or clear your browser cache, since browsers sometimes hold onto the old title for a little while. And that's it. That's how you change the tab name on Wix. Once you know that the browser tab name is tied to the page's SEO title tag, it becomes much easier to update any page across your site whenever you need to.